Hi, I'm Zumbo, and today we're going to uncharted territory. I'm going to be making a savoury dish. The savoury dish I'm going to be making is a beautiful and tasty cauliflower pizza with Nduja. And we're going to be making it in this bad boy behind me, the Moretti Fortini Neapolis Electric. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing on this pizza is it's going to be a white-based pizza. So I'm using a mixture of ricotta, cream, and parmesan to form my white sauce. I'm going to add the caramelized onion. So I've just caramelized some red onion. So caramelized onions down. Next we're going to put on there our beautifully roasted cauliflower. So I've just roasted this Neapolis oven. I've just tossed it in olive oil, sumac, black pepper, and smoked paprika. So next we're going to add Nduja. So Nduja is like a salami paste, spicy salami paste from Calabria. Our mozzarella cheese goes on next. Just before we put in the oven, I'm just going to grab the peel and just nice and gently. Okay, so now taking it out, mixture of lemon juice, olive oil, yogurt, and hummus. And we'll just drizzle that around. Some beautiful green pistachios, pomegranate aerials. Just add that beautiful tartness and crunch. Joe, would you like to come and taste a slice? Sorry, it's so tasty. Thanks for watching. Thanks for Euroquip and Moretti Fortini.